The LG V20 right here, and today I'm doing a video about Beast Mobile. So Beast Mobile is getting a new phone very soon, guys. So if you guys go to the website and scroll all the way down, you guys will see it. So this phone has already been announced. So you guys scroll down here a little bit, you guys will see it. So right here, it says get ready to unfold. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G coming August 27th, so that's about 2 weeks away. So that is pretty fucking insane, guys. So this is the first for prepaid carriers, you know, like a major prepaid carrier that they're getting this type of phone here. I wonder if other prepaid carriers will get this phone. I'm not really sure, but all I know is that Beast Mobile is getting this phone for right now. It's coming out August 27th. Samsung has announced the Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G. So if you guys want to get more information about that, links will be down below for that. So that's the phone right there. Go to the Samsung website here, and this is the specs page here. So you guys will see the price there is $499.99. So that's the full retail price of the Galaxy Z Flip 3. So I got it on the specs page here, and I have it comparing to other Samsung devices here. So the Z Flip 3 is in the front left here. That will have a 3300 mAh battery, power to last you there. Internal storage 128 gigs or 256 gigs. I think Beast Mobile will get the base version of 128 gigs. So I don't think they're gonna get the 256 gigabyte version. I don't think so. I think Beast will only just get the one storage option. That is 128 gigs. Processor Snapdragon 888, so pretty good there. RAM 8 GB of RAM, 5G of course. The latest network technology with the power of 5G. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 is showing up for pre-order right now on Samsung's website. Camera, the guys have 12 megapixel rear and a 10 megapixel front facing camera. This has a scene optimizer, intelligently recognizes scenes and optimizes colors for brilliant shots. Aperture, single aperture, f1.8 aperture lens per grade camera. Flaw detection, intelligently detects flaws so it's nearly impossible to take a bad shot. Okay. Screen and display 6.7 inches dynamic AMOLED 2-tone infinity flex display, 6.7 inches, so that's pretty fucking big. And that's all specs that give us on that. Like I said, if you guys want to get more information on the Galaxy Z Flip 3, links will be down below. So, you guys need to highlights here. You guys will see highlights of the Galaxy Z Flip 3 right here. You guys can show through this. That's what the front one looks like. That's what the front one looks like. Right there, it has a big ass fucking screen on the front there, dual cameras. There on the front there, and this one is big as shit. So, yeah, I'm gonna it shows on here. So you guys can also check this out as well. So you guys can check this out here. So they like the Z Flip 3 there. That's a Galaxy Flip 3 right there, right here. This is the Z Flip 3, and looks nice. Dimensions will have at 120 Hz refresh rate, which is nice. Let's get a 360 review of this one here. Because this is the only way that I would be able to show you guys the phone here. So go ahead, flip it, spin it, have fun with it. So this is 360 degrees here. So then it's loading the phone now. So there's the phone right there with it being open. How do I spin it? Let's get there. Yeah. That's what the phone it being closed, and I have the camera flash right there. That's what the phone is being closed and whatnot. And that's what it is being open. So there's a phone being opened. They got different colors here. So like I said, a cream color, phantom black, green, lavender green, white and pink. I think Beast Mode will only have one color. That's why I mean like that. I don't know what color Beast Mode will have, but I do think Beast Mode will only have one color. This is money bigger. So basically show you guys the phone open and close. So that's the phone open again, there's the phone closed again, so pretty nice looking phone now. So if you guys want to get more information about the Galaxy Z Flip 3, links to Samsung website will be down below. So Samsung has announced the Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G. Boost Mobile has announced that they will be getting this one on August 27th. It will be $499.99 for the base version of 128 gigs. And I do think that Boost Mobile will only be getting that version of the phone. So that is pretty cool that Boost Mobile is getting this one. I wonder if other prepaid carriers will get this one, but we will have to wait and see. But Boost Mobile has already jumped the gun and say that they will be getting this one here August 27th, so stay tuned for that. 2 weeks away, pretty fucking dope as fuck on that. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.